So friend, the iPhone Air may have stolen the show at Apple's big event with its thinness, and the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max may have the best features, but the iPhone 17 also exists and it made its official debut as well, and there's actually a pretty impressive upgrade, and it comes with a bigger and brighter 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR screen that for the first time in a non-Pro iPhone features ProMotion adaptive refresh rate up to 120Hz. Thanks to this, you also get the always-on display showing the time, widgets and live activities at a glance, since the refresh rate can go down to 1Hz when the display is not used. And on top of the screen is Apple's Ceramic Shield 2 with a new Apple design coating of 3 times better scratch resistance and improved anti-reflective to reduce glare. Peak brightness is 3000 nits, the highest ever on the iPhone, and you also get 2 times better outdoor contrast than with the iPhone 16. Powering the iPhone 17 is Apple's new A19 chip built on a 3nm process. Its 6-core CPU is 1.5x faster than the A15 Bionic in the iPhone 13, according to Apple, and the 5-core GPU is more than twice as fast as the A15 Bionic. If you are wondering why Apple is comparing performance to a 4-year-old iPhone, it's most likely because it aims to get iPhone 13 owners to switch to the iPhone 17. And of course, the iPhone 17 has an improved neural engine and supports Apple Intelligence, and there's also an updated display engine and ISP. Apple says you can get up to 30 hours of video playback on one charge, and the iPhone 17 can charge up to 50% in 20 minutes with an optical high wattage USB-C powered adapter like Apple's new 40-watt dynamic power adapter with 60-watt max. And the iPhone 17 has the Apple N1 chip too, which features Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6 and Thread support. N1 is also set to improve the overall performance and reliability of features like personal hotspot and AirDrop. In Bahrain, Canada, Guam, Japan, Kuwait, Mexico, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, the UAE and US and the US Virgin Islands, the iPhone 17 will be available with eSIM only. The device has two 48-megapixel rear cameras. For the first time in a non-Pro iPhone, you get a 48-megapixel main camera and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide with macro capabilities. With the main snapper captures lossless 2x optical zoom source. With photographic styles, you can customize your photos by adjusting color, highlights and shadows in real time. With a better understanding of skin tones, and in iOS 26, there's a new bright style that will brighten skin tones and apply a pop of vibrance across the image. The iPhone 17 now starts at 256GB storage for $799 in the US, and it's offered in lavender, mist blue, sage, white and black. It will be up for pre-order on September 12 in 63 countries and territories and will be released on September 19. It will then become available in 22 other countries and regions on September 26. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.